Well, I chose the IUS STEM Camp because one of my biggest interests in life is computer science or information technologies, and I also would like to pursue that interest later on in life and perhaps make it my career. So far, IUS STEM Camp has been a great experience. It's quite intensive, the coursework, but I'm really enjoying it because of all the lectures that we have and all the laboratory works that we also are able to do with our professors, our teachers, and also there's quite a bit of fun and field trips in the city.
I chose IUS STEM Camp not only because I am taking a field similar to information technology, and all the courses in this current course offers something similar to information technology, but I'm also here for the experience. I have been to Bosnia before, but as holidays, but I want to have the educational experience here. So far, the course has actually been exactly what I expected it to be. In fact, I am actually well impressed by how the course is going forth. The lectures are all well informative and everything is hands-on. I learn way better through practice than theory, and that so far everything is going fine.